Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about multiplication because you have the basic idea about addition and subtraction, and this is exercise 3.1 of class 5th. So I will solve first and second questions which are related to multiplication. Okay, multiplication is easier, but what is the multiplication basically? What is the meaning of multiplication? Suppose you have to multiply 5 and 3. This is the sign of multiplication. 5 and 3 are multiplied together. As you know, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Ultimately 3 5s is also 15. But what is the meaning of multiplication? Listen carefully. जब भी आप किन्हीं दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो इसका मतलब होता है रिपीटेड एडिशन. Repeated addition means, see, this is 5 into 3. I can also write 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is also 15. Means जब भी आप 5 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इसका यह मतलब होता है कि 5 को 3 टाइम्स ऐड करना है. ठीक है, सो 5 को 3 टाइम्स खुद से ऐड करना है. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So here you can see that this is the repeated addition. Repeated means the number is added to itself 3 times. 5 को हम 5 से ही ऐड कर रहे हैं, फिर 5 से ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो यही नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है. इसलिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन को क्या कहते हैं? रिपीटेड एडिशन. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स repeated addition. This is also called multiplication. Now when we multiply two numbers, both of the numbers have 2, 3 or 4 digits, then there is a proper way of multiplication, and in this exercise we have to multiply the numbers which are written in Hindu Arabic numerals or which are also written in the Devanagari script. So question 2 is related to Devanagari script, means these are the Indian numeral digits which have been using since thousands of years. So first question, and there are 10 parts. So I take first part. The number is 286 into 125. Okay, to multiply this you have to write the numbers in this way: 286125. Put a multiply sign and draw a horizontal line. Now see carefully, this is 5. We have to multiply 5 by 286. Then we multiply 2 by 286, and finally we multiply 1 by 286. As you can see, it is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So what we are doing here, हम यहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या कर रहे हैं? This is 5, the place value is 5, place value is 20, place value is 100. तो हम भी place value से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो सी केयरफुली. 5 6 जा 30, 3 is carry, 5 8 जा 40 plus 3 43, again 4 carry, 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 14. Now we have to write 0 here, or sometimes we put a cross sign. इसका मतलब ही 0 होता है. This is nothing. Okay, now multiply 2 by 286. So 2 6 ja 12, 1 carry, 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5, and finally okay, one more number, one more digit is remaining, 1. So 1 multiply by 6. Okay, first thing, before you multiply by 1 you have to put 2 cross signs, because the meaning of cross is nothing but it is 0. Okay, but we are habitual of writing that cross sign. हम ये 0 क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Listen, ये 5 वंस प्लेस पे है, तो हम यहाँ पे 0 इसलिए लिख रहे हैं कि ये 5 6 30 हो रहा है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज 20, तो 20 के लिए हमने एक जीरो पहले से लगा दिया है. नेक्स्ट इज 1, प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन इज 100. देयर आर 2 zeros in 100, दैट्स वाई वी राइट 2 zeros. ओके, बट हम क्रॉस लिखने के हैबिचुअल हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगाते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट 0 और क्रॉस, आइदर वन. नाउ 1 multiply 6 is 6, 1 8 जा 8 and 1 2 जा 2. बिकॉज 1 से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वही नंबर आता है. नाउ यू हैव टू परफॉर्म द एडिशन. दिस इज 0, दिस इज 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 7 11 plus 6 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7 plus 8 15 and 1 carry, that is 3. So the answer is 35,750. This is the answer of first question of exercise 3.1, 35750. Okay, next is third part. Okay, third part is 637 into 380. Now multiply these. So you can see that both the numbers have 3 digits. Now 0 multiplied by 7 0, 0 by 3 0 and 0 by 6 0. So there is a short method. जब भी आपको 0 मिलता हो तो आपको zeros लिखने हैं according to the number of digits in this number 1 2 3. So 3 zeros आपको लिखने हैं. Put cross sign. 8 7 जा 56, 5 carry, 8 3 जा 24 plus 5 29, 2 carry, 8 6 जा 48 plus 2 50. Then put double cross. 3 7 जा 21, 2 carry, 3 3 जा 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry and 3 6 जा 18 plus 1 19. Now add these numbers. 0 6, this is 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, it will be 2 and 5 plus 9 14, 1 carry, it is 2. So the answer is 2,42,060. It is exercise 3.1. This is third question. So it is 242060. Okay students, pause the video and note. Now this method we have to follow for each and every question. तो 3.1 में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं, देयर आर 10 पार्ट्स. यू हैव टू फॉलो द सेम मेथड. नाउ आई सोल्व फिफ्थ पार्ट 7 7 7 into 2 2 2. ओके, हम इस तरह से लिखेंगे. 7 2 जा 14, 1 कैरी, 7 2 जा 14 plus 1 15, 1 कैरी, 7 2 जा 14 plus 1 again 15. Okay students, see look at the board. यहाँ पे 3 बार हमारे पास 2 है. इट मीन्स इस नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे ये नंबर आता है, तो फिर से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सेम नंबर आएगा. तो हमें अगेन एंड अगेन मल्टीप्लाई करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्रॉस लगाना है, यही नंबर लिखना है. 4 5 5 1. So we write 4 5 5 1. There is one more to put double cross. Again 4 5 5 1. Add these numbers. 4, this is 9, this is 10 plus 4 14, 1 carry 2 and this is 12, 1 carry 7 and 1. So the answer is 1,72,494. It is fifth 3.1, 172,494. So students, I hope you are getting what is the method of multiplication. So इसी मेथड से आपको बाकी सारे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने हैं. कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, सिर्फ नंबर का डिफरेंस है. कुछ नंबर बिगर है, कुछ नंबर स्मॉलर हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Okay, second question. Multiply the following numbers written in Devanagari script. First part is 5 6 2 multiplied by 3 8 4. So it is 5 6 2 and 3, it is 5 6 2 and 3 8 4. Now it takes some time because it is in देवनागरी script and we don't have much practice. So आपको देवनागरी script पे बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी है, डिजिट्स आपको याद रखनी है, and by practice you can solve it in a proper way. So listen, अब हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मेथड वही है, 4 2 जा 8, ओके 8, देन 4 6 जा 24, 2 कैरी, 4 5 जा 20 and 20 plus 2 22, put cross sign, 8 2 जा 16, 1 कैरी, 8 6 जा 48 plus 1 49, 4 कैरी, 8 5 जा 40, ओके 40 plus 4 44, check it again, 8 2 जा 16, 1 carry, 8 6 जा 48 plus 1 49, 4 carry, 8 5 जा 40, okay correct 44, put double cross, it is 3 3 2 जा 6, 3 6 जा 18, 1 carry, 3 5 जा 15 plus 1 16, okay it looks very beautiful, isn't it? बहुत अच्छी लग रही है ना देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट. नाउ वी विल ऐड दीज नंबर्स. सी इट इज 8, 4 plus 6 10, 1 कैरी, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 6 18, 1 कैरी, 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7 plus 8 15, 1 कैरी, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 11 and 1 carry and 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 2,15,808. So this is the answer of first part of second question 3.1. So it is 215,808. Okay, we have done it in first attempt. Listen students, if you are solving this type of multiplication first time, so don't worry, maybe you make mistakes. फर्स्ट टाइम में मिस्टेक हो सकती है बिकॉज हमें देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट की हैबिट नहीं है. सो आपको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ठीक है, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल सॉल्व इन अ प्रॉपर वे. नाउ वन मोर, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग थर्ड. इट इज 7 1 5 into, this is 715 into 260. So multiply करना है. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So 1 2 3 3 times है, means we have to multiply 0 with these 3 digits. So write 3 zeros. Put cross. 6 5 जा 30, 3 carry, 6 1 जा 6 plus 3 9 and 6 7 जा 42, double cross. 2 5 जा 10, 1 carry, 2 1 जा 2 plus 1 3 and 2 7 जा 14. Finally add the numbers 0 0 9, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 4 8 and this is 1. So the answer is 1,85,900. This is the answer of third. So it is 3.1. Second question, it is second part. Okay, so by mistake I have written third, it is second part. 3.1, second part of second question, it is 1,85,900. Now I am going to solve third part. Okay, so note it down. I am going to erase. Here I am going to solve third part. And third part is very easy. Third part is 4 3 6 into it is 500. Okay, 436 into 500. Listen carefully. You can multiply this one without using this method because it has 2 zeros. So जब भी आप किसी नंबर को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बहुत इजी होता है. आपको क्या करना है, put these 2 zeros. You can solve this question by using this method, but here I am going to tell you a short method. Put both the zeros, then multiply 5 with these numbers. So listen carefully. This is 5. 5 6 ja 30, 0 3 carry, 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 18, 1 carry, and 5 4 ja 20 plus 1 21. So the answer is 2,18,000. It is the answer of third question. Okay, so second and third part 218,000. First, second and third parts have been solved. Okay students, so it is all about question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.1, and I hope second question is more interesting than first question because it is in Devanagari script, and I also like the Devanagari script. So you have to revise, you have to solve these questions. First see the video 2 times, then solve these questions and solve the questions of your assignment. All the best.